So there's the window strip. Well, it's not completely strip. I am not going to take that down. Those two things were there. I'm just going to paint them over. The curtains and the drapes, I just dropped them. And this is my horrible, horrible office. Oh, what's the hour? Watch me as I kill myself to get my sheetrock. Ah! Girl power. So, I'm gonna put it on my rug. Fuck. Wait. I put up black curtains. That I could get circular saw, shoebox. Don't touch my boobs. Let me see. Okay. Circular saw. Business. Outline reviews. Medical book. Investments. Nope, I only read the medical one. No. There's the wall TikTok. It's not finished because I do not have the filler. It's over by Errol's house. So this need to fill out, the screws they need to fill out and stuff. But I still prime it, and I use the aluminum, the platinum gray to fill it out, to prime it. So when I get the thing, I'm gonna do all of that.